Yeah, I've taken some of your advice, you know, from the previous series in Senegal, God's sin, baby, and I'm going to slow it down and, you know, try to be more inclusive with my audience, with you guys, and yeah, interact more with you guys and be more personal and show you more about me and myself and who, you know, Rayman Mufasa is, you know. So that's what we're going to do. I've got a vlog coming up that's going to show you my story, you know, my life story, and you know how I came to be in this place, in this position at this time. So, you know, watch out for that. And if you're new to my channel, you know, we're about spreading love, positivity, good vibes, you know, raising people's frequencies all around the world, baby, you know. And that's what we're about, you know, bringing people together and uniting people. And, you know, it's focusing on what brings us together as opposed to what separates us, you know, and divides us as a species, you know. And at the same time celebrating our, you know, differences in our cultures and, you know, our customs. So yeah, subscribe, like and share, you know, this channel if it's for you, and I appreciate that. Peace. And let me show you where we're going to be eating today. Got an hour and a half wait because I've just booked a reservation, but here we are. Look at this. Right there on the rock, can you see? And when there's as you can see, the boat is taking people to and from the mainland because see the boat there? I just met this lovely couple from Portugal just here. Very nice people. They just subscribed to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, man. Obrigado. Até mais. Yeah, I've been to Portugal 2 times, you know, and I loved it. And they're from the south of Portugal, just above Faro. I've been to Faro, Algarve and Lisbon. Yeah, man. So this is the place where I'm going to be having dinner today. In the rock over there. I love the clear blue seas of Zanzibar, man. Clear blue seas and white sand. It's just beautiful.
The food was really awesome. We had seafood, the calamari, octopus, the king prawns, everything was fine, but let's say it's for one visit, so yeah, but it's a must visit. You have to be there.
Oh, nice, man. I can't wait to try the food, man. Appreciate that. Where are you from?
From Czech Republic.
Czech Republic, man. Oh, nice. Guys, I'm still waiting for my reservation here. Just here on the mainland, just outside, you have this shop here. So I think I'm gonna go check it out. I think it's just a shop that sells memorabilia and a few things. Virgin coconut oil, lemongrass essentials. Wow, coconut oil. Zanzibar spice tea. Some jewelry, earrings. Man, you know, I've been traveling for like 5 months now, so like for me to just be buying things, my money's running out now, so I've got to be very responsible, you know. But it's so hard not to just buy things and just help people out in the communities. But I'm gonna need to stop now, nip it in the bud, because if I continue doing this, my money's gonna be gone soon. That's enough presents for people. What up, what up? Oh wow, look guys. Precious oils, African essentials, the delicate blend of avocado, baobab, coconut, macadamia, maruja, moringa, yangu oils. Wow, beautiful. Some seaweed soap. Wow, okay. Guys, I'm definitely buying that. If you don't know, you know, there's a lot of, you don't know about sea moss. Yeah, it contains a lot of minerals. It's the in thing right now in Europe, in the UK, in London and America. But yeah, sea moss is abundant out here. You see the mamas, the older ladies, they go out and harvest sea moss when the tide is back during the day, and then they harvest it and then they distribute it here in Zanzibar or mainland Tanzania or even abroad. Mainly a lot, I'm hearing a lot in the Philippines they're sending it to. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, we made it, we made it. I sit, okay. Oh, let's sit. I'm gonna sit. Guys, we made it. We made it on the boat, man. Whoa. Yes? Oh, asante. Asante. Oh, asante. Guys. Whoa! We made it, guys. We made it to the floating rock. 6 p.m. This is time for my reservation. The sun is setting, man. It's beautiful. Mambo. Hello. Hi. Asante. Hello. How are you? I'm very good.
Everything's okay?
Yes. I'm early, so I don't know. I got a 6 p.m. sitting. If it's okay. Yeah, I booked. Yes. Rayman Mufasa. Rayman Mufasa. Just here at the back of the restaurant, and this is the outdoor sort of seating area. I have a little patio here, overlooking the Indian Ocean here. So far, like, my welcoming and the greeting here has been somewhat okay, somewhat satisfactory, and yeah, somewhat good. So far, the gentleman, the waiter, came over with a menu here. This is the menu. Probably get a smoothie or something, or juice, wait a little while and then grab the main course, and then we'll go inside to the restaurant, the main restaurant, and then we can get some footage. Probably order something light. I'm not that hungry. I did get a burrito before I came here in a restaurant in Paje. I guess they serve the drinks with a bamboo straw, and that's always good, you know, reducing their plastic consumption. One good point here so far. Hey guys, hey. Just getting some footage just for YouTube, my YouTube vlog. Okay. Hey, look at that view, hey. Nice. Priceless.
How can I find you?
Yeah. Rayman Mufasa. Rayman. Hello.
No.
So guys, here we are, dinner for one, hey. Let's give their food a try. Let's see what the verdict is, see if they're worth their weight in gold. And if the reviews are true, hey. Guys, I ordered some vegetables with a fish fillet and some roasted potatoes, and the presentation was very, very basic, but you know, I never judge a book by its cover. But in this case you probably could. Wait and see. There you go, let's have a look at this. This is the fish fillet with the fried potato and vegetables. And guys, I just kind of cut open the fish and it seems to be a bit undercooked. So it seems to be a bit raw. I'm not sure if they done that intentionally, but just have a look at that. Can you see? Carrots. Still the same al dente. But I'm gonna have to send this back again. I feel like I'm going to be a pain, but it's below satisfactory. And me, I'm very easy to please. Low maintenance, you know. Doesn't take much to please me, but quite disappointed to say the least. Fish seems to be cooked now. Yeah, I'm going to give it back. How was your food, guys? I'm sending mine back. Sending mine back. I'm sending it back. No, it was first time it was undercooked, and the second time they just chucked it. They just just really wrong, man. And this, they just chucked the potatoes back in the deep fryer and refried them again. And the fish shrunk in half, like literally half the portion. I know, man. I feel like I'm being a pain. How was your food? So. Just okay. $65 for a lobster. And okay, just okay. Dada. Sorry to be a pain, yes. It's very hard now this time. You know, last time when it came it was very, very soft.
Okay,
so, and yes, this seems to have shrunk in half. So I'm gonna change. Did they just put this back in the deep fryer? No. This one. Did they just put this back into the fryer? Is it different? Because I asked for them to do the whole thing again. I asked for them to please make it again and send it back. So, but now I'm going to change the meal now. So can I have the menu, please, again, and we will try again. Hopefully, third time lucky. Inshallah. Awkward, but I guess when you're paying, you know, these kind of prices, especially for Zanzibar, you ought to expect food to be cooked properly, number one. And when you send it back, you don't want it just to be warmed up. You want a complete, you know, new dish. Thank you so much for the tennis over. I'm gonna have a look and then order something else. I feel like one of those customers from hell, man. I spent the next 15 minutes trying to find an alternative dish to order, but you know, I couldn't find nothing. So in the end, I just upped and left and went back to my hotel room. So I guess it was an experience to say the least. And yes, I was extremely disappointed. Considering there's such high costs and prices for their food. So, yeah. Until next time, peace.
Blase. I slang and they pay. We get money every day. Police come but they don't stay. Boom for police, that's what we say. Tyrese, little bit of cheese. On the east side, that's what we blaze. And we all a fucking SARS. You don't know we don't get.
Yo, see we can't stop, won't stop. I know what's good for my block. You can get it round the clock, man, they run it like a